Hello everyone, in this video, we will share how to get Miui 15 Dynamic Island on your Xiaomi devices. These widgets can be touched to open functions. All 5 types of Dynamic Island widgets are supported. Each widget brings different functions. Export from Miui 15 widgets. Let's bring these widgets to your devices. Before you do it, you need to be noted with these widgets that only work with the home screen with app drawer. Widgets do not work with the classic home screen. Now, on my device, these widgets are no longer. Let's get them to your Xiaomi device. First, open Settings app and My Device. Backup and Restore. Mobile device and draw your pattern. Uncheck all in this list. Choose Other System app and only check System Launcher to backup. Finish and exit to home screen. Open Miui File Manager and locate to the path. Select Latest Folder with Time Modified Set. This file is original backup of your system launcher. You can copy the file to another folder to back up later. You can skip if you don't want. Next, download file in video description. File look like this, with the capacity of nearly 3 megabytes. After downloaded, press and hold File, More and copy or move to the path. Choose Latest Backup folder. On my device, original backup file 295 megabytes. Paste downloaded file into this. Replace file. Downloaded already. Replace original file. Return to backup and restore features. Restore. Select Latest Backup file. This backup include downloaded file. Restore it. Finish and exit to home screen. On your home screen will available these widgets. You can remove widgets. Name. Choose widget and move to arrange your home screen. Resize icon size. Touch widget to open features. This widget will show your name of phone. Export from Miui 15. You can remove widget if you want. To return default of your system launcher backup, open Miui File Manager and copy default backup file. Replace downloaded file. This is original backup file of my device. Copy file to the path. Paste and replace file. Original file already replace downloaded file. Return backup and restore features. Restore to default. Now my device returned to default system launcher data. I hope you will like these widgets. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell. Thanks for watching video. See you in next video coming soon.